In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up your items and menus in Thrive Online. Let's navigate to the Manage Items and Menus section. If you've already completed an import from your point of sale, you'll see your point of sale menu item categories down the left. These are only going to show categories that are not topping items and that are available online. So let's just select the categories that we want to have on our online system. And we'll hit Add Selected, and you'll see all of these categories are available. I can reshuffle the order. Let's say we want appetizers first, and then we want salads, etc. I can also click on any one of these to edit them. From here, I can choose how I want my button to look. So let's do a rounded shadowed button. We can choose our font size and style. We can choose the color of the buttons and the color of the text. We want to change that. We can choose to change the name. We can even combine additional categories. So if you see multiple categories over on the side that you'd like to combine into this, you can do that. Now when you have it looking just the way you want, you can click Apply to All Menus. We also will want to change the image for this category. You can choose My Images to see images you've uploaded, and we'll cover how to do that in just a minute. Or else, go ahead and pick one of our stock images here. And there we go. You'll see that the rest of the buttons have been updated to use the same format, although you'll need to change each of their images individually. One thing to keep in mind when you're creating your menu items is to make sure you're choosing the right location. If you have multiple locations, you want to be sure to pick the one that you'd like to work with here. This new category button allows you to create a category of coupons. We've got a different video that'll cover how to do that for you. Alright, let's click on the next button, and here you'll see the section headers. You can also change those just visually to look the way you want them. And the item button design allows you to change the way that the actual buttons look for the items within each category. Now let's talk a little bit about images. To upload images, you can just choose a file. So here I'm going to choose this onion rings. You can also upload a zip file of images that will all get uploaded into a folder to keep them organized. The next step is to map your images to your items. So in this case, we'll just select, let's start with our pizza toppings. And again, select the category that you want to use. We'll choose toppings. And then you can just start dragging over to the toppings. As a shortcut, since I dragged the chicken picture over to chicken, you'll notice that any other place that I have chicken, such as on my salad ingredients, that picture is also automatically mapped. If you've got some items that you don't have pictures for, choose a default image here. That'll be mapped for any of those images. Also, if you have an entire category without images, the system will just display text only for that category. So that's a basic primer on how to set up your menu, categories, and map images in Thrive Online. Remember, any changes to item pricing, item behavior, or whether items are available online or not will happen in your point of sale. We'll cover some of those common changes in another video.